Hi, welcome to ShedTV. My name's Keith. This is just a quick video to show you what I picked up at Halfords this week. It's a 12-piece combination ratchet spanner set. Now, in the past I've had great success using these Halfords professional ratchet spanners. As you can see, there's a ratchet in one end and an open end at the other end. This is a well-worn 17mm, and as I say, these have been absolutely fantastic. They've got 5-degree movement in the end, so you don't have to move very far. If I bring that close up to the camera, you can see that you only have to move a very small distance to activate the ratchet. So you can work quite well in confined spaces with these, and makes the removal of bolts really quite quick. Now, as I say, I've had a set of these for many years now, probably 10 years, and I've lost the odd one here and there, and I've replaced the odd one, and I still found myself with a set with about 3 13s and and another one missing. So not so long ago, Halfords were doing an offer where they were offering a set of I haven't counted them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, set of 9 combination ratchet spanners. These ones have got a swivel end on them, which is great. You can go like that and go into a tight corner that way around. Fantastic. Can't fault those at all. And well, a lot of Halfords Professional, I actually think these are now called Halfords Advanced, aren't they? Yeah, Halfords Advanced tools, and I mean, I don't abuse tools, but I've never actually managed to break anything from this range. So as I said a minute ago, I went to Halfords this week, and I picked up this, which was in one of the special offers bins at the front of the shop, and this is a 12-piece set of ratchet spanners in black, and this was 20 quid, which I thought was absolutely outstanding. So let's open it up and have a look. Now, it says on the packaging that Halfords Advanced tools have a lifetime warranty. It says no fuss, no quibble, we simply replace it. Now, I don't know exactly what. Oh, it does say conditions, exclusions apply. So that kind of seems a bit contradictory, but be interested to see what they had to say if you took one back that was damaged. I don't know. Okay, so looking at these, then the thing that attracted this to me the most was the fact that it's a set of 12, and it's every size from 8mm right up to 19. So it includes 18, 16, and 11 and 9, which you don't always get with sets of spanners. And having had a few Japanese and French cars over the years, I've found that I've often needed spanners of this sort of size. So this is a good full set. Comes in this sort of carrier thing. Not sure how much use that is. Well, they seem to stay in it all right. I suppose it will keep them in place in the drawer if you were storing them like that. I'll probably take them out and put them in my toolbox. Let's have a closer look then. It's a 17mm. There it is. It's got a kind of sort of black vanadium type finish. I don't really know what it is. It looks a bit like the finish on an impact socket, but I suspect it's not. If it's as hard wearing as that would be fantastic, but I suppose time will tell with that. Compare that to this old 17 that I've had for 1,000 years, and although it's got surface marks on it, there's no specks of rust or anything. That's survived extremely well, and the ratchet mechanism seems as good as it ever was. I think it's the same ratcheting mechanism in that one as it is in the old one. Here's the pivoting 17. Seems to be the same again. These pivoting ones haven't seen very much use yet, so can't really comment on that. That's nice and tight. But well, there it is. Anyway, I thought it was just worthy of showing, because I thought for 20 quid for a full set of combination spanners, you know, if they're anything like as decent quality as the old ones that I've had, then that's got to be a winner. Right then, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you the next time. Cheers. Bye bye.